Hey there, in this video, I'll give you 20 German phrases that will help you to survive in Germany from day one. No grammar explanations, no long sentences, just real, useful survival German for every day. Alright, let me show you how this masterclass works. For each phrase, I say the German phrase, I explain it quickly, and you repeat after me. So let's get started. Block number 1, basic politeness. So the first phrase or the first word you should learn is the basic one, hello. Hello. So hello means basically hello in English. Say it everywhere, always. Repeat after me. Hello. Okay. So the next one is Entschuldigung. Entschuldigung. So Entschuldigung means excuse me or sorry. Use it to ask questions or get attention. Repeat after me. Entschuldigung. So let me break it down. So the first chunk is end. Okay. End. Then schul. Then die. Then gung. Entschuldigung. Now the third one. It's danke. Okay, danke. Danke means thank you. Simple yet powerful. Repeat after me. Danke. The fourth one is bitte. Bitte. Bitte means please or you are welcome. Germany loves this word. You use this word bitte everywhere. So repeat after me. Bitte. Bitte. Now let's continue with the block number 2, which is when you don't understand. So phrase number 5 is Ich verstehe nicht. Ich verstehe nicht. That means I don't understand. When you don't understand anything, say this without shame. So repeat after me. Ich verstehe nicht. Okay? The sixth one is Können Sie das bitte wiederholen? Können Sie das bitte wiederholen? That means can you repeat that please? Magic sentence. Try to repeat slowly. Können Sie das bitte wiederholen? That means can you repeat that please? So the seventh one is Langsam bitte. Langsam bitte. That means slowly please. So let's say I'm explaining something to you and you're not understanding. So in this situation, you can use this phrase perfectly, which is langsam bitte. And Germans will also slow down, trust me. So repeat after me. Langsam bitte. Langsam bitte. Now let's continue with block number 3, which is shopping and daily life. So phrase number 8 is Wie viel kostet das? Wie viel kostet das? That's a typical one when you go for shopping. How much does this cost? Repeat after me. Wie viel kostet das? Wie viel kostet das? So phrase number 9 is Ich hätte gerne. Ich hätte gerne. I would like to. So after using Ich hätte gerne, just add the thing you want to have. Let me show you an example. Ich hätte gerne einen Kaffee. Ich hätte gerne einen Kaffee. Now let's talk about the phrase number 10, which is mit Karte bitte. By card please. You will use this every day. So repeat after me. Mit Karte bitte. Hey, sorry for interruptions. If you're living in Germany or planning to move here soon and currently preparing for your German A1, A2 or B1 courses, then my fast track programs can be a great suit for you if you want to pass your German exam in just few weeks. And you can check out the fast track programs down below in the description or in the pinned comment. Now let's get back to the video. Then phrase number 11 is also similar to the 10, which is bar bitte. So if you want to pay with card, you say mit Karte bitte. And if you want to pay with cash, you say bar bitte. Cash please. Still important in Germany. Repeat after me. Bar bitte. Not bar, it's bar. Bar bitte. Then we will continue with block number 4, which is appointments and offices. So phrase number 12 is Ich habe einen Termin. Ich habe einen Termin. That's also a typical one you will use all the time. I have an appointment. So repeat after me. Ich habe einen Termin. Ich habe einen Termin. Then the negative version of that is Ich habe keinen Termin. Okay? If you don't have any appointment, you just say Ich habe keinen Termin. Honest and necessary. So repeat after me. Ich habe keinen Termin. Ich habe keinen Termin. Then the phrase number 14 is Wo ist das? Wo ist das? Where is this? Short and perfect. So repeat after me. Wo ist das? Wo ist das? Then the phrase number 15 is Suche. Then the thing you are looking for. I am looking for the thing. Let me show you an example. Ich suche das Bürgeramt. Ich suche das Bürgeramt. So repeat after me. Ich suche. Ich suche. Ich suche das Bürgeramt. Now let's continue the block number 5, which is small talk and friendliness. So phrase number 16 is Alles gut. Alles gut. That means all good. Casual and very German. Repeat after me. Alles gut. Okay. Alles gut. Then phrase number 17, ja, passt. Ja, passt. That means, yes, that works, or that's fine. Super useful. Now repeat after me. Ja, passt. Ja, past. Then we have kein Problem. Kein Problem. And that means no problem. Say it with confidence. Kein Problem. Kein Problem. Then we have bis später. Bis später means see you later. Much more natural than goodbye. So repeat after me. Bis später. Bis später. Then the final one is schönen Tag noch. Schönen Tag noch. Have a nice day. Say this and Germans will smile. Repeat after me. Schönen Tag noch. Schönen Tag noch. So that was for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up. And if you want to access my all the crash courses, then you can check out this playlist where I shared all my crash courses absolutely for free. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.